More Pico. Alright, this is everything I picked up today. Got these in the vending machine, this in the vending machine, and I picked this up at Target. I'm gonna crack them all open today. Typically when I find product, I hit up vending machines or I hit up Targets. Oh, Didini, let's go.
Very nice, Shiza-chan!
Gotcha, bitch!
Let's go. Ooh, Megazord. I already have him, but it's not a bad card. Let's get an SIR. At this point, I think I'm cooked. Like, ain't no way I pull a SIR after a UR, right? Let's go. No way. Let's go.
Very nice, Shiza-chan!
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I'll be posting more.